Hi, my name is Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. Today we're going to do Test 3, Section 3, Number 3, Make-A-Wish, which reads, on Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? Okay. First, we're going to do a way, if you have trouble with this type of question, here's a way that you could do it, but the second way I show you is really the way you want to do this question, as long as you could identify and do it this way. So when you see variables in the answer choices, what you could do is you could pick numbers. So how would you pick numbers? What you're going to do is you're going to solve the question on your own based on the numbers you pick, and then plug those numbers into the answer choices and see what gives you the same answer. For example, and by the way, you want to stick with simple numbers. So I'm going to make my M equal 1. And then when I read through, in place of M, I read the number 1. So Armand sent 1 text message each hour for 5 hours. So Armand sent 5 text messages. And I need a P as well. Let's make P equal 2. Again, you want to keep it simple. Tyrone sent 2 text messages. Read it with 2 in place, each hour 4 hours. So Tyrone sent 2 times 4. He sent 8 text messages. And then the question is, what's the total number of text messages? If you add 5 plus 8, you wind up with 13. And then what you got to do is, when you go to your answer choices, in place of M you put 1, in place of P you put 2, and you eliminate anything that does not give you 13. So if you see in answer choice A, I get 18. That's wrong. In answer choice B, I get 40. That's wrong. In answer choice C, I get 5 times 1 plus 4 times 2. So I get 5 plus 8, and I get my 13. So it looks like that's a correct answer. You do want to check every answer choice when you use this method. Once in a while you get more than one correct answer. Notice I've picked 1 for both M and P. I'd wind up with C and D both working, and then I'd have to adjust one of the numbers. And in answer choice D, if I plug in, I wind up with 14, not 13. So the correct answer is C. Now, here's the way you want to do it, as long as you are able to do it this way, which is you just look at the question itself, and Armand sent M text messages for 5 hours. If you could identify that as 5 being multiplied by M, 5M, you need 5M in your answer choice, and boom, you have your answer already. And then you would want to read the rest of it. If there's P text messages for 4 hours, that'd be 4P, so that should be in your answer. And the total number, you're going to wind up adding those two, if that makes sense to you. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble translating word problems into math numbers and variables. If there's any question that you have about any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.